All right, how would you like to make money doing what you enjoy doing? Riding ATVs, UTVs, getting on social media and talk about it. You guys have been helping us out for 23 years or 23 plus years by spreading the word of Hunterworks, and we appreciate that. But now we're going to try to pay you back. We have a Hunterworks affiliate program. It's not through Amazon, it's not through YouTube, TikTok, nobody else. It's directly through our other website. You may or may not know we have two websites. Hunter calls our main one, hunterworks.com, our old one, but Hunter runs the other one, which is hunterworks1.com. And the affiliate program sign up is there. Once you get an account made up, you have a dashboard. You get to have links to all the products that you can share the links to. And so all you do is, if you think you're influential out there, you take a link, say if it was this clutch kit hypothetically, and you go post it in a general forum. This is a general clutch kit, and if somebody purchases that, you're going to get a percentage. What are the percentages, you might ask? Well, it's pretty simple. $0 to $500 orders, you get 7% of it. 500 to 1,000, 5%. Over 1,000, 3%. You go, now why are you dropping percentages as you go up in price? Well, you take a $2,000 item, 3% is 60 bucks, and we may or may not even make quite that much on that big of an item. So it just has to, the percentage has to come down, but the amount actually goes up. So 3% of $1,000 is 30 bucks for doing nothing other than letting somebody click on a link for you. But we have a guy already who's making over $500 a week on his commissions with our affiliate program. So it's certainly viable. You just got to do a little work and get it out there. And I want to add why we're doing this. It isn't just so that we can profit more. We're not trying to get rich here. That's not it at all. What we want to do is be able to build up capital to make a reinvestment. Every time that we need to do something new, we have to buy a whole new vehicle. Right now, we really could use a Kawasaki H2. I don't even know what they cost right now, 40 grand. Well, we got to produce enough income to purchase a vehicle to create new items. So it's not just about profit for us. Well, I guess it is in the long run, but you have to have money to be able to do things. And just another example, if you guys are familiar with our Hunterworks 1000 USA made primary, that was a $250,000 investment to get that going. And you can't do that unless you got some deep pockets. And so we're just trying to make Hunterworks grow, and where we can continue to make excellent products and good customer service for more and more vehicles and more people out there. But anyway, that's a long story to tell you why, but we appreciate you. Information is on hunterworks1.com. And if you get stuck on something, you need a little bit more help with it, email hunter@hunterworks.com, and he is running a program. He'd be glad to help you out. Don't email me. This is about as much as I know about it. But anyway, we appreciate you guys for all these years, and now I give you an opportunity to make a little change in your pocket. So thank you very much.